You won't believe how easy this is. Welcome back to AI Hustle Tuesdays. If you're just joining us, you missed out this morning. We literally handed you the keys to launching a Faceless Shorts channel using AI. We're talking a system with the potential to rake in up to $200 every single day. If you haven't seen that video, pause this one right now, go watch it, and then come back. Now, for all of you who are caught up, this is part 2. You've got the channel, you've got the AI tools, but how do you actually turn those views into cash? That's what we're diving into today. I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize, scale, and optimize every single aspect so you can start seeing real, tangible results. Let's go! Alright, first things first, let's talk about getting you paid directly by YouTube. This is the holy grail for many creators, and it's called the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. The main requirements are hitting 1,000 subscribers on your channel. With AI-powered shorts, you can get there faster than you think. The second part of the YPP puzzle is watch time. You need either 4,000 public watch hours on your long-form videos in the past 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Shorts are designed for rapid consumption. One viral short can get you millions of views. So, what's the secret sauce? Post shorts consistently. Each short is a new chance to get discovered, gain subscribers, and rack up views. Use your shorts to funnel viewers to slightly longer videos. In your shorts, have a clear call to action. Want to learn more? Check out our full video on this, link in the description or comments. On these 1 to 2 minute videos, use YouTube's built-in tools like end screens and cards. An end screen can suggest another relevant video, encouraging binge watching. A card can pop up mid-video, prompting viewers to subscribe or check out a playlist. Think of it like a web. Your shorts are the outer threads, catching a wide audience. Then you guide them inwards towards content that keeps them on your channel longer. This dual approach, shorts for discovery and views, slightly longer videos for watch time, is your golden ticket to meeting those YPP requirements faster. Remember, the goal is to create a system. Get those shorts out there, guide the viewers, and watch those numbers climb. Okay, so getting into the YouTube Partner Program is awesome, but what if I told you that you could start making money today? Like right now, even if you have 0 subscribers and 0 watch hours, this is the power of affiliate marketing. You don't need YouTube's permission to start earning this way. This is you taking control of your income from day one. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's super simple. You recommend products or services you use and love. In our case, the AI tools that power your Faceless channel. And when someone signs up or buys through your unique link, you get a commission. It's a win-win. The viewer gets a great tool, the company gets a new customer, and you get paid. Now, which programs should you be signing up for? Think about the tools we've already talked about, the ones you're literally using to create your content. Obvious choices include ChatGPT for scripting and idea generation, Midjourney or other AI image generators for your visuals, Canva Pro for editing and graphics, 11 Labs or similar AI voice generators for your voiceovers, Pictory for turning scripts into videos. Once you're signed up for these affiliate programs, and most of them are free and easy to join, you'll get unique tracking links. Place these links strategically. The most common place is in your YouTube video descriptions. Make it clear and enticing. Don't just drop a raw link. Say something like, "Want to create amazing AI videos like this one? Try Pictory for free." Your unique affiliate link here. The key is to be authentic. Only recommend tools you genuinely believe in and use. Alright, we've covered YouTube ad revenue and affiliate marketing, but what if you want even more control over your income? What if you want to create assets that you own 100% and can sell directly to your audience? This is where simple digital products come in, and with AI, creating them is faster and easier than ever before. What kind of digital products are we talking about? Think simple, think helpful, think AI assisted. One of the easiest things to create is an ebook or a short guide. You can use ChatGPT to help you outline, write, and even refine the content in a matter of hours, not weeks or months. Imagine creating a guide titled The Ultimate AI Shorts Kickstart Guide or 50 Viral Hooks for Faceless AI Channels. Another fantastic idea is to sell AI script templates. If you've developed a successful formula for your shorts, a certain structure, specific calls to action, or ways to integrate AI voiceovers, you can package these as templates. Beyond scripts, think about other resources your audience might need. Maybe it's a content calendar specifically designed for AI Shorts channels, or a list of niche ideas with proven potential, or even a collection of prompts for AI image generators tailored to specific short styles. Once you have your digital product, where do you sell it? There are tons of easy-to-use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Teachable. These platforms handle the payment processing and digital delivery, so all you have to do is upload your product and set a price. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and you can sell them an infinite number of times. This is how you build multiple income streams around your AI Shorts channel. Chapter 4. Automate and Dominate. Okay team, we're talking about making serious money with AI Shorts, but let's be real. Even with AI, creating content consistently can lead to burnout if you're not smart about it. The key to long-term success and scaling your channel to insane heights is automation. You need to build a workflow that practically runs itself, freeing you up to focus on strategy and growth, not tedious daily tasks. Let's start with scheduling. You don't want to be manually uploading shorts every single day at specific times. Instead, use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. These platforms allow you to upload all your finished shorts in one batch and schedule them to go live at optimal times throughout the week or even month. Next up, cross-posting. Your amazing AI shorts shouldn't just live on YouTube. You want to maximize their reach by getting them onto other platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, and Facebook. Manually uploading to each platform is a huge time suck. This is where tools like Zapier or IFTT, if this then that, come in. You can set up automations or zaps that automatically take your new YouTube short and post it to your other social media profiles. Now let's talk about the content creation process itself. The secret to avoiding burnout here is batching. Don't try to create one short from start to finish every single day. Instead, block out one dedicated day per week. Let's call it your AI Content Power Day. On this day, you focus solely on creating a week's worth or more of content. This batching method is incredibly powerful because it allows you to get into a state of flow for each specific task. Consistency is absolutely the king when it comes to scaling your channel and keeping the algorithm happy. Work smarter, not harder, by letting AI and automation be your ultimate leverage. Perfect. Chapter 5. Hack the algorithm. Alright, you're creating content, you're automating, you're monetizing, but how do you make sure your shorts are actually getting seen by as many people as possible? You can't just post blindly and hope for the best. You need to become a data detective. YouTube Analytics is your best friend, and it holds the secrets to optimizing your content for maximum views and explosive growth. The first metric you absolutely need to obsess over is your thumbnail click-through rate, or CTR. This tells you what percentage of people who see your short's thumbnail in their feed actually click on it. If your CTR is low, say under 4%, it means your thumbnails aren't grabbing attention. YouTube will show your short to fewer people if no one is clicking. So, what do? Redesign it. Test different styles, colors, fonts, and imagery. Next up, viewer retention. This is critical for shorts. You need to hook viewers in the first few seconds, literally the first 3 to 5 seconds. YouTube Analytics will show you a graph of when viewers are dropping off. If you see a massive dip in the first 10 seconds, your intro isn't strong enough. You need to get straight to the point, create curiosity, or present something visually shocking immediately. Analyze your best performing shorts. What did they do in those initial moments? Replicate that success. Don't ignore your comments section. This is a goldmine of direct feedback from your audience. What are they saying? What questions are they asking? What do they love? What do they hate? Use this feedback to refine your content strategy. Another powerful tool for understanding your audience and optimizing content is YouTube polls. You can use the community tab once you have access, or even create shorts that are polls themselves, asking viewers what they want to see next. Study your retention graphs like a hawk. Where are people consistently dropping off in your shorts? Is it a certain type of visual, a change in pacing, a specific phrase? Identifying these patterns allows you to make micro adjustments to your editing and scripting. Remember, the YouTube algorithm is trying to do one thing: keep people on YouTube for as long as possible. If your shorts contribute to that goal, by having high CTR, strong retention, and good engagement, the algorithm will reward you by showing your content to more people. Dive into your YouTube Analytics today and start uncovering the secrets to your channel's success. Chapter 6. Real results. Now I know what some of you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but does this actually work for regular people? Can someone really launch a faceless shorts channel with AI and see real results fast? And the answer is a massive, resounding yes. I want to share a quick, real-life example to show you just how powerful this strategy can be. Let's talk about John. John wanted a side hustle, something he could do with limited time, and definitely something that didn't require him to show his face on camera. He stumbled upon the idea of AI-powered faceless channels, specifically focusing on shorts. He decided to create a channel dedicated to sharing interesting and bizarre facts, a niche that's perfect for the shorts format. Using the exact AI tools and strategies we've been discussing, ChatGPT for script ideas and refinement, an AI voice generator for the narration, and an AI video creation tool to combine stock footage, text overlays, and the voiceover, John started producing shorts. He committed to posting one new short every single day. In just 30 days, 1 month. John's Faceless Facts channel, built entirely with AI, hit 1,200 subscribers. That's already past the first major hurdle for YouTube Partner Program eligibility. John's story is not unique. There are countless people out there right now who are quietly building successful Faceless Shorts channels using AI. Your AI money machine awaits. And there you have it. That is your complete, no-fluff, step-by-step roadmap to not just launching, but actually monetizing your Faceless Shorts channel using the incredible power of artificial intelligence. We covered everything from getting into the YouTube Partner Program to cashing in with affiliate marketing from day one, creating your own digital products, automating your workflow to avoid burnout, and using analytics to optimize for viral growth. If this video just blew your mind and gave you a ton of actionable strategies, and I know it did, then do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click that notification bell because you absolutely do not want to miss what we've got coming. Every single Tuesday, right here on AI Hustle Tuesdays, we are dropping brand new side hustle ideas, all supercharged by the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence. So, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and if you found this valuable, please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with someone you know who's looking for an extra hustle or a way to make money online. Thank you so much for watching. Go out there and build that channel, and I will see you next Tuesday on AI Hustle Tuesdays for another mind-blowing AI money-making strategy. Let's get this bread.